It's not what do you do well, what do you do better than others who do it well? And the experience that we provide, the simplicity of the process, the predictability of the response, the opportunity to future-proof your business model, your engagement, is by becoming ridiculously easy to do business with. Friends, we vote every time, with our feet and our dollars and our time for the experiences that we want to repeat, for the transactions we want to engage in, the relationships we want to build. We are in a time of choices like we've never seen in history. But now everything is convenient. For companies, for organizations, for industries and categories that want to survive, convenience has overtaken quality as the primary driver. Quality, incredibly important, but at the end of the day, it's not about quality. At the beginning of the day, it's about quality. That's the entry fee. You better be good at this. But at the end of the day, it's about competitive advantage. We grew up in business with what we used to call guest relations philosophy. Everybody's heard this before. Some version of this. Here's how it goes. The average person with a positive experience tells 2 or 3 people, but somebody with a negative experience tells 10, right? You've all heard that before, some version of it. Friends, none of that is true anymore. Today we tell thousands. Today we tell millions. Today the ramifications of underperformance in the eyes of your customers, you falling short, you screwing up, them feeling frustrated, the ramifications of that are profound because everybody's got a bullhorn that reaches around the world. What do they wish you would do that you don't currently offer? This is always a great question. If your customers could wave a magic wand, how would you do business differently? That's how we future-proof what's important to them. Here's what the research shows today. Customers and clients are prioritizing speed and flexibility and accommodation for unique scenarios and simplicity and convenience. I get all the time is, well, if we do it for you, we have to do it for everyone. Here's a little hint. No, you don't. You don't have to do anything for everyone. It's your business. If there's some special accommodation that you can make, do it. Customers love that. There's 100 times better chance of winning the business with a response within 5 minutes. Not 100%, 100 times better. I like the platinum rule. The platinum rule says, do unto others as they would have done unto themselves. In other words, don't treat people the way you want to be treated. Treat them like they want to be treated. And to do that, we have to understand them on a different level.
Saw David, he was amazing. We could have listened to him all day.
He was fabulous. He is energetic, he's funny.
It was fabulous.
He was fabulous. Fabulous presentation. It was insightful, it was motivating, and he's also very funny.
I love that.
Very real, very engaging.
I thought it was fantastic.
We got 5 kids, grown and gone. Doesn't mean they're off the payroll, but at least they're out of the house. But I remember for years I would be on stage and I would get off stage and I would look at my cell phone and there would be texts from my son. Dad, 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 answer. Dad. And I'd call him back, I'm like, dude, I was on stage, what? He's like, where's the remote? And I'm like, because we're used to instant connection, instant communication. I am 60 years old. I remember this like it was yesterday. And I know what you're thinking. He cannot be 60 years old. I know what. No.
My kids are like, oh my God, Dad, you so don't get it. I said, oh, no. I teach it. And I have 4 times more followers than you. It's like, shut up, Dad.
The Amazon driver in my neighborhood is coming to my daughter's wedding. That's how close we have become. It's like family now.
You ever watch Love It or List It? You find yourself as real estate agents just cheering for the listed side. List it, list it, list it. Come on, list it. Oh, we're gonna love it. Oh, man. Thanks for having me here today. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.